So, you did it. You bought the shiny new gadget that promised you the crispiest food of your life with almost zero effort. But now it's just sitting on your counter. The manual might as well be written in Klingon, and you're seriously thinking, my oven works just fine, right? Well, what if I told you that in the next few minutes, you won't just understand this machine, you'll be cooking your first batch of perfectly golden, absolutely flawless French fries. Stick with me, because your air fryer is about to become your favorite kitchen sidekick. Let's be honest, nobody actually reads the user manual. The good news is you don't really have to. The air fryer is one of the simplest and most powerful tools you can own. Think of it as a mini convection oven on steroids. It has a super powerful fan that creates a whirlwind of hot air around your food, making it cook incredibly fast and getting it unbelievably crispy with just a tiny bit of the oil you'd need for deep frying. By the end of this video, you'll be setting up, cooking with, and cleaning your air fryer like an absolute pro. Okay, before we even dream of food, there are a couple of non-negotiable first steps. First things first, unpack everything and peel off every last bit of tape and plastic. Take out the basket and any inserts, give them a quick bath in warm, soapy water, and dry them completely. This gets rid of any factory dust so your food tastes like food. Next, find the perfect spot for your air fryer. It needs to be on a stable, heat-resistant surface, and this is crucial. It needs to breathe. Give it at least 5 inches of space on all sides. That clearance allows the fan to do its job and prevents the unit from overheating. And now for the one step everyone skips, the test run. Do not skip this. Before any food touches it, run your air fryer empty for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. You might smell a slight new car scent, which is perfectly normal. That's just the protective coatings from the factory burning off, and running it now means your first meal won't taste like hot plastic. All right, your air fryer is clean, positioned, and has passed its test run. It's go time. Getting that drool-worthy, crispy texture is simple if you follow these 4 golden rules. Rule number 1, always preheat. Just like an oven, preheating is your secret weapon. It kickstarts the crisping process immediately instead of letting your food sit there and get soggy. Most air fryers only need 3 to 5 minutes. Some have a preheat button, but if yours doesn't, just turn it on to your desired temperature for a few minutes before adding the food. Rule number 2, prep for perfection. How you prep your food matters. For even cooking, try to chop everything into roughly the same size. And remember this. Moisture is the mortal enemy of crispiness. Always pat your food, especially vegetables and proteins, completely dry with a paper towel. Then, add just a light toss of oil. That's all you need for that golden, crunchy exterior. A quick pro tip, avoid aerosol cooking sprays with propellants, as they can wear down the basket's non-stick coating over time. Rule number 3, give it space to breathe. Seriously, this is the number 1 mistake people make. The magic of the air fryer is that tornado of hot air hitting every surface. If you pile food in, you block the airflow and you get steamed, unevenly cooked mush. Always cook in a single layer. If you have to cook in 2 batches, do it. The payoff in crunch is more than worth it. Rule number 4, shake it up. About halfway through the cooking process, you need to intervene. Pull out the basket and give it a confident shake, or use tongs to flip everything over. Many models even have a built-in shake reminder to nudge you. This is the key to ensuring every single piece is evenly browned and perfectly crispy. Ready for an instant win that will make you believe in the magic? Let's make the easiest and most satisfying thing on earth, frozen French fries. First, preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Once it's hot, toss your frozen fries into the basket. And what's the rule? Don't overcrowd them. A nice, even, single layer. Slide that basket in and set your timer for anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. At the halfway point, around 6 or 7 minutes, that shake reminder will probably go off. Pull the basket out, give it a really good shake to toss the fries, and pop it back in to finish cooking. The crispy, golden brown results will speak for themselves. And just like that, you've graduated. You're no longer an air fryer beginner. You know how to set it up, you've memorized the 4 golden rules for crispy perfection, and you've already made a flawless batch of fries. The key takeaways are simple. Do the initial test run, give your food space, shake it halfway through, and give the basket a quick wash after you're done. You are now fully equipped to experiment with chicken wings, roasted vegetables, and so much more. If this guide helped you conquer your air fryer fears, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple recipes and kitchen hacks. I want to know what you're going to make first, so drop a comment below and tell me. Thanks for watching and happy air frying!